The world is changing. This is the age of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming our lives at an unprecedented pace, reshaping industries and unlocking solutions to global challenges. This is an invitation to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of AI. AI is already deeply intertwined with our daily routines. From voice assistants to personalized recommendations, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. As AI evolves, its presence will become even more transformative. AI can seem intimidating, but it's accessible to anyone willing to learn. Understanding machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning is key. These concepts can be broken down into simple, intuitive ideas. Machine learning empowers computers to learn and adapt without explicit instructions. By analyzing data, machine learning algorithms can make predictions and improve over time. This approach is transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives. Neural networks inspired by the human brain are the backbone of many AI breakthroughs. These networks process information, learn from data, and make intelligent decisions. Understanding neural networks helps us appreciate AI's potential. Deep learning takes neural networks to new heights, unlocking greater capabilities. By employing multiple layers, deep learning models learn complex patterns in data. This technology is transforming industries and shaping the future. AI is weaving its magic into our daily lives, from voice assistants to personalized recommendations. It's revolutionizing healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. Understanding AI's principles helps us harness its power for a brighter future. Embarking on your AI journey requires the right tools. Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are essential for developing AI models. These tools provide the building blocks for creating intelligent systems. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a cornerstone of the AI revolution. It represents computations as data flow graphs, making it easier to build and optimize models. TensorFlow's scalability and comprehensive ecosystem make it a powerful AI platform. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, is known for its flexibility and ease of use. Its dynamic computation graph allows for on-the-fly model modifications. PyTorch's strong GPU support and vibrant community make it a popular choice for AI development. Section 4. Online courses and resources, your path to AI mastery. The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging at an unprecedented pace. Fortunately, you don't need to navigate this exciting landscape alone. A wealth of online courses, tutorials, and resources are available to guide you on your AI journey, from foundational concepts to advanced techniques. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer comprehensive AI courses taught by leading experts in the field. These courses provide a structured learning path, covering everything from the basics of machine learning to the intricacies of deep learning. Many of these courses offer hands-on projects and assignments, allowing you to apply your knowledge and gain practical experience. For those who prefer a more self-paced approach, online tutorials and blogs provide a wealth of information on specific AI topics. Websites like Towards Data Science, Machine Learning Mastery, and Analytics Vidya offer insightful articles, tutorials, and code examples to deepen your understanding and enhance your skills. Don't underestimate the power of community in your AI journey. Online forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit's R Machine Learning provide platforms to connect with fellow AI enthusiasts, ask questions, share your knowledge, and seek support from a global network of learners. The key is to find resources that align with your learning style and goals, whether you prefer structured courses, self-paced tutorials, or interactive forums. The online world offers a plethora of options to support your AI aspirations. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Section 1. Setting the stage, your first AI project. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the exciting world of hands-on AI programming. In this act, we'll embark on a journey to create our very own image recognition model, a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and your newfound coding skills. Imagine building a machine capable of recognizing handwritten digits, a task that seems almost effortless for humans but presents a fascinating challenge for computers. This project, while seemingly simple, will introduce you to the fundamental concepts of machine learning and provide a solid foundation for tackling more complex AI tasks in the future. We'll be using the MNIST dataset, a classic collection of handwritten digits widely used as a benchmark in the field of machine learning. This dataset contains thousands of images of handwritten digits, each carefully labeled with its corresponding numerical value. Our goal is to train a model that can accurately recognize these digits, even when presented with new, unseen examples. Don't worry if you're new to programming or haven't worked with AI before. We'll guide you through every step of the process, providing clear explanations, code examples, and helpful tips along the way. The joy of creating something from scratch, especially something as powerful as an AI model, is an experience you won't soon forget. So let's gather our tools, fire up our Python interpreters, and embark on this exciting adventure together. Section 2, Python, your trusty coding companion. Before we delve into the intricacies of building our image recognition model, let's take a moment to appreciate the versatile language that will be our trusty companion throughout this journey. Python. Known for its readability, simplicity, and extensive libraries, Python has become the language of choice for AI practitioners worldwide. Python's intuitive syntax allows you to express complex ideas with remarkable clarity, making it an ideal language for both beginners and experienced programmers. Its vast ecosystem of libraries, particularly those focused on AI, provides a wealth of pre-built functions, algorithms, and tools that streamline the development process. For our image recognition project, we'll be leveraging the power of libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, which offer comprehensive frameworks for building and training deep learning models. These libraries provide the building blocks for creating neural networks, handling data, and optimizing model performance. Don't be intimidated if you're new to Python or programming in general. We'll guide you through the essential concepts and syntax as we progress through the project, ensuring you have a firm grasp of the code and its underlying logic. Python's beginner-friendly nature and supportive community make it an ideal language for learning the ropes of AI programming. So open up your favorite Python editor, whether it's Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, or any other environment you prefer. And let's start writing the code that will bring our image recognition model to life. Section 3, Building the Image Recognition Engine, a step-by-step guide. Let's start building the heart of our image recognition model, the neural network. Imagine a network of interconnected neurons, each processing information. This web of connections allows the network to learn patterns and recognize images. We'll use a convolutional neural network, or CNN, for image recognition tasks. CNNs mimic the human visual system, extracting features from images. First, define the architecture of our CNN, specifying layers and connections. Next, initialize the weights and biases, controlling information flow. The MNIST dataset will serve as the training ground for our model. Section 4, Training your AI, teaching machines to see. We'll teach our AI to recognize handwritten digits using the MNIST dataset. The neural network adjusts its parameters to minimize errors. Backpropagation helps identify and correct errors. Adjusting parameters improves future predictions. We monitor performance to avoid overfitting. Each epoch brings us closer to accurate digit recognition. Section 5, Data, the fuel for your AI engine. As we delve deeper into the world of AI programming, it becomes increasingly clear that data is the lifeblood of any successful AI system. Just as a car needs fuel to run, an AI model relies on data to learn, adapt, and make intelligent decisions. In our image recognition project, the MNIST dataset serves as the fuel for our AI engine, providing the raw material from which our model learns to recognize handwritten digits. The quality, quantity, and diversity of our data directly impact the performance of our AI model. High-quality data, accurately labeled and representative of the real world, is crucial for training a robust and reliable model. The quantity of data is equally important. Generally, the more data we have, the better our models can learn and generalize. A large and diverse dataset allows the model to encounter a wider range of variations and patterns, making it more adaptable to new, unseen examples. However, simply throwing more data at an AI model is not always the solution. Data pre-processing, the process of cleaning, transforming, and preparing data for training, plays a vital role in ensuring the data is in a format that the model can understand and learn from effectively. This may involve handling missing values, normalizing data ranges, or converting categorical data into numerical representations. By carefully curating and preparing our data, we can significantly enhance the performance and reliability of our AI models. Section 1. Testing time. Putting your AI to the test. The moment of truth has arrived. After hours of coding, it's time to test our image recognition AI in the real world. We'll evaluate its ability to recognize handwritten digits. Using a separate set of images ensures a fair evaluation. We'll compare predictions to actual labels, measuring accuracy. A confusion matrix will highlight areas for improvement. Each iteration brings us closer to a highly accurate AI. Section 2. Fine-tuning for success, enhancing your AI's accuracy. Achieving high AI accuracy is a journey of refinement and optimization. Think of a skilled archer adjusting their aim for perfect precision. We'll explore techniques to fine-tune our model, enhancing its accuracy. One powerful technique is hyperparameter tuning. Precise adjustments in hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size are crucial. Experiment with different combinations to find the best results. Data augmentation expands our training dataset, making the model more robust. Techniques like dropout and weight decay prevent overfitting. Fine-tuning is iterative, requiring intuition, experimentation, and analysis. By exploring these techniques, we can enhance our AI's accuracy and reliability. Section 1. The journey ahead. Your AI adventure begins. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of AI, and what a journey it's been. We've explored the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, from machine learning and neural networks to deep learning and image recognition. We've delved into the practical aspects of AI programming, using Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch to build and train our very own image recognition model. Remember that sense of accomplishment when you first saw your AI accurately recognize a handwritten digit? That's just a taste of what's possible with this transformative technology. As you continue your AI adventure, embrace the spirit of curiosity and experimentation. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging every day. Stay updated with the latest research, explore new tools and libraries, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. Share your AI creations with the world. Let others be inspired by your journey and learn from your experiences. Join online communities, participate in hackathons, and contribute to open-source projects. By sharing your knowledge and collaborating with others, you'll play a vital role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Remember, the power of AI lies not just in the algorithms and code, but in the hands of those who wield it. Use this technology responsibly, ethically, and for the betterment of humanity. Together, let's create a future where AI empowers us to solve complex challenges, unlock new possibilities, and build a brighter tomorrow.